What's up, guys? Got some pretty awesome short night ride footage for you here. The cool thing with this was we actually had a truck with us, so it wasn't just side-by-sides and quads. The legendary Tom Dixon was out there in his Bronco, just absolutely romping it. So that was a ton of fun. And this is right up until this video stops right before I sunk my Pioneer, and that whole craziness started. So that's the video I posted last week, if you're trying to figure out when this happened. This video is a week old, I guess. This was last weekend, like the weekend before Thanksgiving. So the parking lot was a little bit of a shit show as usual on a weekend, especially with all the rain we've been having. But we really got to work on our trail etiquette out here, guys. If you're going to try to come into the property pulling a trailer with a two-wheel drive truck or camper for that matter, hook up outside the gate, be coordinated, and have it ready to go through. It took me about 20 minutes to get into the property from the front gate to here because of all this nonsense. Great spot to hang out, guys.
If they're this fucked right now, they're not getting out.
It's two-wheel drive. They brought a camper out here with a two-wheel drive 4Runner. No, it's two-wheel drive Sequoia. You want to pull this guy out?
Oh, yeah. Oh, God.
I gotcha. Ready? I remember this was dirt coming in here. This thing shifts so fast. Oh my God. With a transmission like this, there is no reason for a belt drive. That's a cool truck, man. Sounds good too. You hop right out of there. Oh, I want to build one so bad. I love the truck. Girl. Woo! The Tom Dixon just ate a pine tree.
Really?
Yeah. Oh no, Tom!